Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at BLUMs and see what the BLUM airdrop is. So it is certain that the BLUM airdrop has been confirmed. Play games, claim always. Let's quickly start by playing the games. Always play the games and always win in order to gather a lot of coins for yourself. Be careful of the bombs, okay? And keep tapping. Be careful of all these bombs and always win the big game. You can see? Make sure you always escape the bomb. You can always see the bombs among them. Okay, so this that you're seeing pause the games for you to click a lot for yourself. You can see it. That is gone. Okay, I'm at 64. I still have 28 left to play. Are you going to share a win? If you want to share a win, you can share a win. Okay, if you want to play, you can still continue playing. So let's keep playing and keep winning. You use your two fingers, but be careful with the bomb, because the moment you touch the bomb, you lose. Okay, so careful and play clearly. You can see I have won a lot too. So after you're done with the playing the games, in each day you start playing the games, you'll be given like 30 games to play. So each time you're done playing the games, you can now come down here to have a look. It will start mining completely on its own. Come down here to like have a look and claim a lot of things. Okay. If you come to end, you'll see how to meme a coin, pre-market trading, doxing. What is that? All right, you're going to go into click on start. After I click on start, go carefully to perform the activities and
improve ROI with Google Ads. Like this low-key achieve over 500% return on investment.
okay.
Hey there, crypto enthusiast.
You perform the activities there and come back. Click on start again. Perform the activities over there and come back. Keep clicking on that and keep performing like the activities.
Hello, crypto explorers.
Whatever it asks you to do. So the next thing is going to like ask you to verify. That is, after you have watched, you verify and put in the keywords. So make sure you watch like carefully so that you can get the keywords. And if yours is not yet up to this stage, you're going to just click on it, perform the activities, and you come back to like click on claims in order to claims. Okay, so one of the most fascinating thing about this one is that it also has a referral programs. Okay, when you invite people, you get a lot of coins in returns. So on that, I'm going to drop my referral link at the description section of this very video so that you can use to sign up and let's be doing this together. Okay, so I'm going to drop my referral link as usual. So you share your invitation link and get a play pass for each friend. Your friend join BLUM and start farming points. Score 10% from bundles. Okay, plus an extra 2.5% from their referrals. So you're still going to earn from your friends referral. The people you refer, you're still going to earn like 2.5% from their referrals. All right, looking at the wallet, you just need to connect your Tone wallet, or in the nearest future a lot of wallet might be available for you to connect, but for now you need to link up your Tone wallet. Okay. You can see only Tone tokens. It says only Tone tokens are shown here. You can see here only Tone tokens are shown. Other tokens can't be spent here. So in this, you can see you can receive, you can also send, you can check your history, and you also can check your points. All right, but the current tone here now is 0 because it has not dropped, and I don't have anything in my Tone wallet. All right, and also the sending and the receiving buttons are not available. You know why? It's because there's no fund in this very it's because there's no fund in this very wallet. Okay, but the history shows what? Shows your transactions. Let's look at the history and see. So the history shows your previous transaction, of which I've not done anyone yet, which is why nothing is showing here. Which is why nothing is showing there. Okay, what about the points? All right, the point here shows the BLUM point. Okay, the BLUM point is here, and the BLUM point are the point you have already earned playing your BLUM games. All right, playing your BLUM games. Currently, I have 13,000. I have over 13,000, and the status of this very BLUM is that it's still farming. It's still farming. So earn more in drop games. You can look at here. Earn more in drop games, tax, and more. Okay, so those points, those coins you're seeing will later be available for withdrawal. Okay, withdraw soon. Earn crypto in drop games, and tax withdraw to your crypto wallets. All right. So you're gonna going to click on got it, and everything is over. And as I said earlier, this shows your history. This shows your balance. This is your balance. This is your history, and this history is not yet available. It's showing that what? It's showing that it's coming. Showing that it's coming soon. Okay. So I think that is almost all for today. This almost bringing me to my to the end of this very class today. So all you just need to do is to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And also, if you do have any question, please do drop it at the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. Do not forget, these games are very important. Each time you click on something of this nature, you're going to get +1. Okay, and you're going to wait for this farming for like 7 hours before you can start farming again. So currently it's reading. I have a BLUM 4.3, and it will keep reading until this 7 hours, until this 7 hours is exhausted. And whenever this 7 hours is exhausted, then you can come back to like claim, play more games, and start a new farming. All right, so thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.